If I ask one question to you, that tell me one thing which makes you sad. Obviously, different people having different opinions, different perception that what makes them sad. But one thing is common to all the people is that one word, that is regret. Most of the people attempt to different devastating things in their life because of regret, because they feel regret that I can't do this, so I felt very sad. So on this basis, today I want to share you a very heart-touching novel. So what's the novel? Can you guess? No. Yes? Okay. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. This is Dipti Verma, and today on the regret, I want to discuss the summary of the novel 5 Regrets of Dying, and this novel was written by Bronnie Ware. So Bronnie Ware was a nurse who works in palliative cone unit. You know what is palliative cone unit? Palliative cone unit is a place where the people who got admitted when they are in their deathbed, that is in the last stage of life, they reach there. So Bronnie, when she talked to many people who are in their deathbed, it means that was the last phase of their life. So she observed 5 common things about all the people who are in their deathbed. So what are those 5 things? So today I want to discuss with you. So first thing is, I wish I had the courage to live a life true to myself, not what other expected from me. It means that what we are going to say, what we do, that our cousin is doing doctor, or they want or they are doing this, society want that I become this, our parents want this. So under the pressure of our parents and peers and society, what we do, we just try to quit our dream, and we want to do what they want, what they wanted from me. So we quit all our happiness and we do that. But at the end stage of life, when our life got devastated and we are in the deathbed, then we realize that what the biggest mistake we have done, that though I want to be a good businessman, but due to the pressure of my parents and my peers, I became a doctor. Do you believe that you be a good doctor? No, never. You can't be a good doctor. Why? Because when you wake up in the morning, you have a sad face that, oh, I didn't want to do, but I am doing because I want to earn, but it's not my choice. So I request all of you that live a life true to yourself, not what others expecting from you. So this is the very first regret that all the person might suffer. Next regret is that I wish I didn't work so hard. I didn't work so hard. It doesn't mean that you don't do work. You have to work hard. It means that you have to establish equilibrium. You have to maintain the balance between your career and your personal life. You have to give time to your family, to your peers, to your beloved ones, as well as your career. Because once you inculcate your life with the career, and after getting into deathbed, you felt that, oh my God, I totally wasted my life for money and I didn't enjoy my life. So this is the second most important regret in our life that we might suffer. Next regret is, I wish I had the courage to express my feeling. For expressing the feeling doesn't mean that you propose someone. Expressing the feeling means you show the respect, gratitude to the person whom you like to. It may be your parents, your peers, your friends, your relatives, your beloved ones, anyone. So you give the time to them and express yourself. Express your feelings, not in the terms of your relationship, but in the terms of your career too. If you have many ideas and you want to express it, but you didn't have the tendency to express it, so another people who express it, that will be in a job and you will eliminate it from that place. So you have the courage to express yourself, not only your feeling, but your emotions and your ideas too. Okay, so this is the third regret which we all might suffer. Next, I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends. I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends. Yeah, friends. Friends, if there are many things which we share to our friends, even our parents, our close relatives, our siblings didn't know anything about us, but we are our friends. They know everything to us because we share everything to them. And when once we inculcate ourselves by adding the money, then we forget every relations, every friends, everything we forget. And after we lost everything and we became in a deathbed, then we felt a regret that why I stayed away with my beloved ones, that is my best friends. So I wish that, okay, if you want to talk to someone who is your best friend, so have a call and talk. I think that you and your friend might feel so happy while talking to you. And next and the last thing is that I wish I had completely to myself be happy. It means that I want to complete myself to live a life happy. Live a life happy, it depends all the first four regrets. And at last, the last point will depict about your goal. How you feel happy. So if you have any goal, for example, if you want to climb a mountain, you want to become a mountain climber, and a helicopter put you on the peak, would you happy? Though you reach the peak of the mountain, will you feel happy? Answer is no. Why you can't feel happy? Your destination is to reach that peak, but you are on the peak, and why are you not happy? So you are not happy because you haven't enjoyed the experience of reaching at that place. So for this you have to be a goalistic person. You have to make a goal and you have to reach at your goal, at your destination, and you have to eliminate all the hurdles and you reach at that place, then you surely live your life happier. Not only in your career, in your personal life, in your professional life, in every life, you have to set a dream and you have to achieve that target. And once you achieve your target, then you live your life fully happier. So these are the 5 regrets of life. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.